frequent colds, snoring, or a blocked nose in your child. It may seem normal, but enlarged adenoids are often the reason. What are adenoids? Soft tissues behind the nose that fight infections. When enlarged, they block breathing. Common signs parents notice: mouth breathing, loud snoring or disturbed sleep, blocked runny nose, nasal voice, repeated ear infections or hearing issues, poor sleep, daytime tiredness. Why it matters? Untreated adenoids can affect breathing, sleep, hearing, and facial growth. Treatment options: medicines in mild cases, allergy and nasal spray control, adenoid surgery if symptoms persist. About surgery: safe and short procedure, no external cuts, quick recovery, better breathing and sleep. If your child has ongoing breathing or sleep problems, consult an ENT specialist early for the right care.